Want to turn your blurry or low-quality AI art images into stunning, high-definition masterpieces? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enhance details, fix textures, and upscale your images in just seconds. Let's start it. First of all, let's import our first image. As you can see, we have a low-quality photo of two cute kittens. The software automatically starts processing it. When we move this slider, you can clearly see the difference. Look at how much sharper and clearer the details become on the right side. If you want to try different styles, go to the AI model section in the right panel. Let's switch from more detailed GANIGC smooth. These models are chosen to enhance image quality, sharpness, and textures, de-blur and denoise, to give the image a softer and cleaner texture. Once the inference is complete, let's zoom in a bit and move the slider. Look at how beautifully it preserves the sharpness of the kitten's eyes and fur. Now, if you want an even higher resolution, you can upscale your image to 2K, 4K, or even 8K resolution depending on your needs. Once you are satisfied with your settings, just click on Single Export in the bottom right corner to save your high-quality image. First, we will open this low-resolution image in the software and see how the AI models work on it. By enabling this feature, you can double filter the image. This means it will first be processed by one AI model and then by a second model, making the details even better. As soon as the processing is complete, you can see how clean and sharp the tree leaves and grass have become. After this, the mouse moves to the strength slider and adjust it up or down so that the effect of the filter can be fine-tuned to your liking. Final part, you can clearly see the complete difference in the final results, which makes the image look much more realistic and clear. As you can see in this clip, the moment we upload the low-res image, the tool starts working and when you go into the color panel and perfectly adjust the temperature, just like we've increased it here, you can clearly see how natural and vibrant the eagle's feathers and background colors have become. You can also adjust the highlights so that the colors look perfectly natural and vibrant. You have options for exposure, contrast, saturation, and highlight, shadows, whites or blacks. You also get face restoration, HDR mode, and an AI eraser to easily remove any unwanted objects from your photo. Our next photo is a portrait of a girl. The AI instantly starts working, smoothing out her skin while perfectly keeping all her natural features intact. To remove any kind of marks or blemishes from the face, scroll down, turn on the AI eraser tool and click on Edit Mask. Now, adjust your brush size and carefully paint over the areas on her face that you want to clear up. Once you've highlighted the blemishes, simply click the Apply button to let the AI process the change. As you can see, the AI completely erases those marks, leaving her skin looking clean and natural. If you want to try a different look, you can always go back to the right panel and switch the AI model. And finally, once everything is perfect, click on Single Export at the bottom right corner to save your high-quality portrait. As you can see, there is a massive difference between the before and after image.